Congratulations on deciding to learn this material. Everybody knows what goals are, and everybody knows why they are important, yet few people take the time to set them correctly. In this course, you are going to learn exactly why goals are important, why people with goals are much more successful in any area of life than people without goals, and what you can expect from this course and what you should expect from yourself. To begin with, all humans have goals, whether we know what they are or not. Even if you've never planned anything in your life, you've still been living according to goals. It's just that if we don't set them ourselves, we either use our pre-programmed goals, which are necessary for our survival, or we are following goals that are set by somebody else. What are our survival goals? Safety, food, shelter, relationships, and romantic and sexual expression. Up until recently in human history, it was perfectly natural for most people to stumble randomly through life, driven by these pre-programmed goals, and still do okay. As we progress through history, and society and technology become more and more complex, simply living according to your instincts is not a great strategy anymore. But once you choose your own goals according to your own desires, life visions, and skills, you'll achieve much, much more than if you hadn't. As a quick example, think of something as simple as eating. If you were driven only by your instincts, then eating anything would be okay. With the vast amount of convenience stores and fast food restaurants at your disposal, this wouldn't be a very good strategy. On the other hand, with a fully stocked kitchen, both with raw materials and cooking equipment, along with some decent cooking skills, taking the time to choose and create what you wanted would not only be much more interesting and delicious, but it would be much more healthy as well. This is the difference between letting our instincts run our lives rather than consciously chosen goals. It's easy to imagine, then, why people that consistently set and achieve goals are much more successful than people who don't. In any area, health, wealth, relationships, career, family, taking the time to consciously choose what you want will consistently give you better results than relying on luck. In this course, you'll learn to do just that. In the first section, we'll discuss what goals are and how they differ from wishes. Then we'll learn why people are afraid to set goals and some common fears that can hold us back. Then we'll go through several useful mindsets of a successful goal setter. Finally, we'll go through the specific goal-setting process that will make it virtually guaranteed that you will be able to successfully choose what you want, plan for it to happen, and then make it happen. In our next video, we'll talk about the differences between goals and wishes and why many people think that they are setting goals, but they are really only making a wish. I'll see you in the next video.